Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 48 at 60 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Sir, the conditions of labor in India are largely governed by the industrial development of the country, over which this government has hardly any control. Therefore, it is of no use blaming the government if conditions are really not satisfactory. An honorable member said that as a result of the examination of the conduct of Government of India, he found that the government was guilty of negligence. I should like to make a mention that in passing this view, he failed to make a distinction which I think is a very necessary point to make. Para change. There are labor problems on which there is no dispute. There are labor problems which raise no financial burdens. Now I would like to know from the honorable members whether on any labor problems on which there was no dispute between the parties or which did not raise any financial question, the government of India had not taken any action with all the necessary promptness. Sir, I have no hesitation in saying that in all such cases where there has been perfect unanimity and where there has not been the involvement of any financial burden, the government has acted with all the promptness which is required from its side. Then, sir, he said that the conditions of labor during the war had deteriorated to an extent due to the fact that the government of India had granted certain exemptions from the Factories Act with regard to the hours of work, and they had introduced a limitation on labor's right to strike. I would say that I have taken prompt action on those issues and resorted the rights of labor from all sides. Para change. Sir, as I have said, I cannot deal with these matters, but I can sum up the whole situation by saying that when I examined the wartime legislation of the Government of India, which undoubtedly has the effect of restructuring the liberty of labor, I have new principles which have emerged from it. Now, the Government of India, for the first time, taken upon itself the responsibility to fix up the conditions of the labors which I think had no place in our labor legislation so far. I am sure that now this principle will be given a permanent place in the labor legislation of the country. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.